Today I'm going to go through the Rumba-box. Rumba-box, okay. We start, I'm going to do it to my right. So, the weight is on the left, you go to the right. So it's to the right, together, forward, touch. And then you go to the left, together, back, touch. So you're starting one more time. You started with the right lower corner to the right. You change weight, and you put the left together, so forward, touch. Then you are on the right upper corner. Then you have the left upper corner to the left, together, change weight, back, touch. You end up in the left lower corner. That's the sort of normal one way to do it. Or you could do to the right but backwards. That's also a variation. So then you start the same way, side, together, but you go backwards on right, back, touch, then into left and forward, to the left, together, forward, touch. So you have the options when going to the right or left. You can go forward or back. That depends on which direction you want. And if I do the same to the left, 7, 8, so it's to the left, together, forward, touch, to the right, together, back, touch, or to the left, together, left, back, touch, to the right, together, forward, touch. The normal counting with the Rumba-box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also quite a common variation doing it without the touches. So okay, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, step forward, then do a hold to the left, together, back with a hold. Okay, do this angle as well. To the right, together, forward, hold. To the left, together, back, hold, and then continue the dance. Yeah, good luck.